From this to this, an ordinary potato transformed through science, technology, and human expertise into an extraordinary...
Hey friends, can you believe that every single day, over 50,000 pounds of potatoes from these incredible fields...
Watch how carefully these farmers select only the perfect potatoes. Each plant is inspected by hand to ensure...
Here's where the magic starts. These beauties are coming straight from the earth, still covered in that rich soil. And now the journey begins. These fresh potatoes are heading to one of the most advanced snack food factories in the... Here we are, friends. This amazing facility processes over 100,000 pounds of potatoes every single day using state... Watch this smooth operation. The moment these potatoes arrive, a carefully orchestrated process begins. This is so cool. Within minutes of arrival, these potatoes will begin their transformation. The speed and efficiency here is absolutely remarkable. Just look at that. Thousands of potatoes flowing into the receiving hopper. This is where the industrial transformation... Here's something I really love. Every single potato is inspected by trained workers. They're removing any that don't meet the strict... Watch how smart this machine is. It automatically sorts every potato by size, small, medium, and large.
Now this is something special. These industrial washers use high-pressure water jets to remove every bit of dirt.
Look at that transformation. From dirt covered to absolutely clean in just minutes. You can really see the beautiful... Here comes the high-tech drying system. These powerful air jets remove every drop of water in seconds. This is absolutely mind-blowing. Computer vision scans every single potato at high speed and rejects any with...
Now the peels come off. This rotating drum uses gentle abrasion with water to remove the skins perfectly.
It's perfect. Look how beautifully clean and smooth they are now. These peeled potatoes are ready for the most important transformation. Here's where precision really matters.
And here it is, the star of the show. This incredible machine slices potatoes at over 400 RPM with... Unbelievable. Look at those perfect slices. This is the moment where a simple potato becomes a snack chip, and it happens hundreds of times.
Just beautiful. Hundreds of perfect slices every second, all exactly the same thickness. This consistency is what makes... These beauties need one more rinse before they meet the fryer. We're washing away excess starch. That's the secret to achieving that.
See that white residue washing away? That's excess starch. Removing it prevents the chips from sticking together during frying. And
now these powerful air jets remove every bit of water. The chips must be completely dry before entering the fryer. And here it is, friends, the incredible continuous fryer. This massive system can cook 5,000 pounds of chips every single hour. Here we go. Watch as they hit that 350-degree oil. Instant transformation begins. The moisture evaporated. Inside the fryer tunnel, the chips travel through 350-degree oil for exactly 3 minutes. Watch how they slowly... Just listen to that beautiful sound. Each bubble you see is moisture escaping and being replaced by oil. That's what... Behind every perfect batch is this incredible control system. Operators monitor temperature, oil flow, and conveyance.
Here's something most people never see. The oil is constantly filtered and cleaned during the frying process. This system...
Here they come. After exactly 3 minutes in the fryer, these perfectly cooked chips are about to emerge. There they are. Perfect golden brown chips emerging from the fryer. Look at that incredible color and that crispy too. Just beautiful. Look at that perfect golden brown color and that crispy texture. These chips are cooked to absolute... Smart engineering here. This drainage system removes excess oil before cooling. It gets filtered and recycled back into the fryer. Now this is impressive. This massive cooling system uses industrial fans to bring the chips from 350 degrees. As they cool, you can actually see the chips becoming firmer and crispier. the texture is locking in perfectly. Temperature control does, perfect. They're completely cooled now and that texture is locked in beautifully. See how crispy and firm the look. Here comes the flavor, friends. Watch as the perfect blend of seasonings gets added. This rotating drum ensures every single chip gets evenly coated.
Look at that coating action. The tumbling motion ensures the seasoning sticks to every surface. The slight oil residue,
Perfection. Every chip is beautifully coated with flavor. You can actually see the seasoning on each one. The excess falls away.
Straits. Quality control is so important. Trained inspectors visually check color, coating consistency, and overall appearance.
Even after visual inspection, technology double-checks everything. This system weighs samples continuously to ensure consistency.
We're almost there, friends. These beautiful chips have been sliced, fried, cooled, sealed. One final check. This high-tech camera system scans every single chip at incredible speed, looking for anything that shouldn't be there. Welcome to the packaging wonderland, friends. These amazing machines can fill, seal, and label up to 150.
look at that beautiful packaging design. The film has multiple layers, including a special metallized layer that keeps oxygen. Here's where flat film becomes a bag. The forming collar shapes the film into a tube, and the edges will be sealed together in just a moment.
The vertical seal. Heated jaws press the film edges together, creating an airtight bond. This seal is incredibly strong.
Watch this coordination. The jaws seal the bottom of one bag while cutting it free from the tube above, and simultaneously. And here comes the good stuff. A precise portion of chips drops into each bag. The system ensures every bag has the exact.
Before sealing, nitrogen gas is injected into the bag. This pushes out oxygen, which causes staleness.
There it goes. Watch the bag puff up with protective nitrogen. This is the moment where science meets packaging. That cushion keeps chips
and sealed. That's it, a perfect airtight package. From this moment, those chips are protected and
Look at those beautiful packages, each one perfectly sealed and ready to go. From tiny single-serve bags to family-sized.
Even sealed bags get inspected. Cameras check the seal quality, fill level, and make sure the printing is perfect. Any packets.
Now they're organized for boxing. The system counts and arranges bags into perfect groups, maybe 20.
Check out this machine. It takes flat cardboard and turns it into boxes in seconds. Fold, fold, fold.
Now this is cool. The robotic arm loads bags into cases with perfect precision, never making a mistake. And sealed shut. This case is now ready for its journey. The tape creates a tamper-evident seal, so retailers and every case gets labeled with tracking information. These barcodes and lot codes mean each case can be tracked from this factory all the way to the store shelf.
Final checkpoint. Every case is weighed and scanned to confirm it has the correct contents. The computer tracks everything: weight, product code.
The palletizer. This amazing robot stacks cases perfectly, layer by layer, building stable pallets ready for shipment.
Almost done. The stretch wrapper secures everything together, protecting the cases during shipping and storage.
And here's the final destination, the warehouse. These pallets will ship to stores all across the country.
behind every great chip is serious science. This quality lab tests samples from every batch, checking moisture content.
Moisture testing. Too much moisture means soggy chips. Too little means they'll be too brittle. The lab targets an exact. Color consistency matters too. This device measures the exact golden brown shade of every batch. Customers expect.
But technology isn't everything. Trained human testers still taste every batch. They evaluate crunch, flavor, and
Look at the fryer temperature on line 3. It's spiking again.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Food safety is never compromised. This team monitors every critical control point, maintains rigorous documents.
And this factory cares about the planet. Used oil is filtered and recycled, packaging waste is sorted and reused, and solar.
And here it is, friends, the final product. From potato field to this beautiful bag, every step designed. Just look at that perfection. Every chip with that ideal golden color, perfect crispness, and even seasoning.
That satisfying moment when you pick the perfect chip. See how the light shines through? That translucency means.
Listen to that perfect sound. That's what
Behind every bag is this incredible team. From operators to technicians, quality experts to maintenance crews, these dedicated people make it all happen.
This incredible facility operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, producing millions of bags annually.
Even as we finish our tour, the work never stops. Right now, another batch of potatoes is being sliced,
And off they go. Trucks like this carry fresh chips to stores across the country. Within days, these exact bags.
Look, these are the new salt and vinegar ones.
Perfect. Let's get those for the party tonight.
Get the cheddar.
Cheers, everyone.
To the best chips ever. Seriously, I needed this.
What a product line! From single serve to family size, classic flavors to bold innovations, each bag represents the